Hey, sir. Everybody good?
I'm good. My name is Samir. I'm from Egypt, actually. Yeah, nice to meet you. So,
Anybody from Moscow here?
yeah.
From Moscow? How are you? Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm from Paris. Good what you did in Paris.
Thank you
Very,
much.
very good. We trust you.
Thank you so much. Thank
My
you.
son has a question for you.
Yes. Hi.
Do you want to wish something to Russian
Has been people in Syria,
Do
sir.
I what?
Excuse me,
Do you
sir.
want to wish something to Russian people?
I heard everything, but do I want something with the Russian people? Do I want...
Pupils.
Pupils.
Yes, pupils.
Still, because my English is not so good.
Your English is very good, much better than my Russian. So, do I want to...
Do you want to wish something to Russian people?
Do I want to say something?
To wish something, Mr. John, to wish something
Yes.
to Russian
I
people.
want to wish that the Russian people and the American people are good friends and that our countries come together and keep